Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you experience the ultimate face swap tool. How to use AI face swap on PIXLR or PIXLR. So you can go to the pixlr.com. So don't forget to sign up first or log in first. This is a free online photo editor. Of course, there is a plan. There is a in-game purchase. So there is some feature here that you can try. You can jump right in. This is the quick links. There are image a generator and some of option or feature that you can try, such as AI remove background, AI remove object, collage maker, crop image, generative fill, generative expand, resize, touch up, and design templates. But I want to show you this one, AI face swap. You can try to tap it. AI face swap online, high quality AI face swap online. You can experience the ultimate face swap tool. So let's see with the PIXLR cutting edge technology, seamlessly swap faces with friends, family, or even your favorite celebrity in just a few clicks. This is the templates. So let's try our picture here. Let's upload the face first. So let's upload target. So here I already upload face and the upload target, and just tap on run face swap. Here let's see the difference, how the face is swapped. As you can see, this is the result. Let's compare. His face become this boy face. So feel free to try the AI a face swap tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the text button below. See you in the next video.